Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Use one USB cable and plug it into the car's USB port to connect. Wait for the infotainment system to detect your phone and show the Android Auto prompt. Enable Android Auto on your phone and grant location and microphone permissions when asked. Unlock your phone and open Google Maps before starting the car's infotainment. Keep your phone on the passenger seat and avoid touching it while driving for safety. If Android Auto does not appear, restart the infotainment and reconnect the cable. Tap the Android Auto icon on the infotainment screen to launch Google Maps. Use the touchscreen or steering wheel voice button to access the Google Maps search bar. Type or speak your destination using the Google Maps search bar or voice button for hands-free entry. Review suggested routes and traffic ETA before selecting one. Confirm the suggested route and tap Start to begin turn-by-turn navigation immediately. Follow the on-screen arrows and hear spoken directions through the car speakers. Adjust volume with the car knobs and steering wheel buttons for navigation prompts and phone calls. Use lane guidance and the on-screen junction view to prepare for complex turns. If traffic increases, choose alternate routes from the menu to save time and fuel. Use the mute button on screen when you need quiet and unmute for spoken directions. Stop driving before making detailed route changes or entering long addresses into Google Maps. Keep eyes on the road. Let voice directions manage timing and lane changes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.